guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my baked macaroni and cheese. This recipe is very simple, and all you need is cheese, milk, eggs, pasta, and your seasonings. First, you're going to bring your water to a boil. You're going to add your seasoning to your water: salt, pepper, garlic powder, whatever you like. Then you're going to begin to slice your cheeses. The cheese I used was pepper jack and sharp cheddar. Then you're going to add your pasta to your boiling water, and you're going to cook it till al dente. Next, you're going to grab a bowl, and you're going to add your egg, about 2 eggs, and milk. I don't measure, but about a cup of milk. And you're going to whisk those together till they're combined. And you can add your seasonings to that mixture: salt, pepper, any seasonings you want to use. Once your pasta is ready, you strain it.